Hey, welcome to the YouTube channel, episode number 1. Cheers for tuning in and checking out what I'm going to be doing. I didn't want to do the usual POV motovlogging thing. There's loads of other people out there doing that really well, so there's no need for you to listen to my opinion. What I want to do is to bring you some just cool shots of when I go out riding. I've been riding for about 2 years now and I really love it. So I wanted to share that experience with you. It's basically going to be the things I do to my bike, the people I hang out with, and the adventures and things and places where it takes me. So I hope you enjoy it. So this is the first one.